Okay, so to create and manage tasks such as follow-up tasks or tasks for important deadlines that are related to prospects or customers, once you've logged into your account and you're here on the dashboard, go ahead and click on the Contacts tab here on the left-hand sidebar. Once we're in the contacts database, there's now two ways that we can create tasks. The first way is to go ahead and click on the contact of what you want the task to be associated to, and go ahead and click on the tasks button up here on the top right corner, and we can go ahead and click add, and we can fill in the task here, click save, and this will add a task to this contact. The other way is to go back to the contact database, and once we are here on the main page, click on the tasks bar up here on the top toolbar, and this is where we're going to see an activity log of all our tasks across all our contacts, as well as create tasks and assign them to specific contacts. So to create a new task, go ahead and click on new task up here in the top right corner. This is going to open up a new box asking us to title our task, to fill in the description, put an assignee, a contact, and the due date. So let's do this now. Okay, so here you can see we've titled our task. We've put the description of what this task is. We've then assigned it to an employee or a user within the platform. And then we've also assigned it to a contact within our database. Now we can also assign a due date for this by go ahead and clicking on the date and then assigning the due date here within this calendar. So let's do Friday at 9 a.m. So this should give me a reminder of 9 a.m. that this should be done by then. Once this looks good to you, go ahead and click save. This will save the task. And now you're also going to see it populate within the activity log in our task menu. And again, here we can see the contact it's assigned to, the staff member that it has been assigned to, as well as the due date and the status. If we click on the task, this is actually going to open up a new tab, and it's going to open up the contact card of the contact that this task is assigned to, so that we can view the status and the activity of this task as well as the contacts all in one area. So heading back here to our activity log for our tasks, if you'd like to delete or mark a task as complete, go ahead and click on these three dots. You can either mark as complete, you can either edit the task, or you can go ahead and delete it. In this case, we're going to mark it as complete. So that's how you add tasks to contacts within your account. So these can be for important due dates. This can be for follow-up tasks. This can be anything to keep your team accountable and ensuring that you're keeping on top of leads and you're staying on top of important information.